school song. Everyone get into the school song, hold your hands smart. Sing together, louder, melodious also. Everyone, together. Start. Okay. Hands cover. Side.
Make line and go slowly. Don't.
Go and join it last year. Last.
Hands off.
Can you do that mass class for the music?
Side.
No, okay.
Hands down. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. Hands cover up. So those students who are going to join the line, you stay back. Or you can make single line there separately. Cover up. Side. Off. Gap. Side, hands down. Stand it is, attention. Stand it is, attention. To provide some information, I like to. Now it's time for speech. So I like to call the speakers to deliver the speech.
Respected principals or vice principals, sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. I am going to give a short and sweet speech on the topic of the great man Gautam Buddha. Before starting my speech, I'm going to thank the organizer who have organized this type of program and increase the confidence level of students. The great man Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha was born in Lumbini, Nepal. His real name was Siddhartha Gautam. He was born in royal family as a prince. What he didn't like the prince palace life. When he saw sickness, old age and death, he wanted to find the of life. Uh, he meditated and became Buddha, the enlightened one. Gautam Buddha taught people to live with peace, love, and kindness. He told others to speak truth, avoid anger, and love all the living. Gautam, his teaching very simple but very powerful. At last, I want to say that Gautam Buddha was a great person of Nepal and whole world. Thank you.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you. Namaskar and very warm good morning to Honorable Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friend. As you all know, it's me Mohan Surkheti from grade 9 standing in front of you today for a short and sweet speech in the topic of importance of English language. Before starting my topic, I would like to thank the organizer who have organized this kind of program, which will to increase the confidence level of the student. Now my topic goes like this: importance of English language. English language is an international language. It is spoken all over the world. It is a worldwide language. If we know English language, we could easily get a job. And if we go in foreign country, English language is very important. In foreign country, we should communicate with them in English language. English language is taught in school from primary level to higher level, not in school but also in universities. English language is taught. At last, I would like to say that we must learn English language by communicating with friends in English language. Thank you.
Hands cover up. Inside. Hands up. Up. Inside. Hands down. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. So now it's time to get some information to provide some information on our life experience.
Thank you very much, Coordinator sir. Cover up. Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Stand at ease. We must be together. Attention. Stand at ease. All right. Let me welcome on the stage three students. Krijal Khadka, Nirajan Shrestha, and Nishan Bhatta. Krijal Khadka from grade 10, Nirajan Shrestha from grade 9, and Nishan Bhatta from grade 8. Please come here. So why are they called here? Do you know? What is your opinion? They have done something great or some mistakes? They have done something great. There was one story writing competition organized by Nepal Bal Sahitya Samaj. It was held in Nepal Academy. So the program was conducted jointly by Academy as well as Nepal Bail Sahitya Samaj, and their story is published in a book. So these three students are going to be honored in a grand program which is going to be held on coming Saturday, means 7th, in Nepal Lalit Kala Pratishthan, Bal Mandir. Have you seen Bal Mandir? Bal Mandir in Naxal. Okay? So the program will be held by 1 p.m. So you have to be there with your formal uniform. Is that clear? So give them a big round of applause. A bit louder because it's a great achievement and their creation. Okay, stop clapping now. Their creation is published in a book which has 300 pages of a thick book, and we are very much happy to have such gems in our school, Krizal, Nirajan and Nissan. So next week there is English storytelling competition. Please be prepared, and we have already announced and informed to the students that be master in a particular field, not a jack. So if you are smart in storytelling, please take part in it. If quiz contest, then take part in it. But you have to be smart in that event, not superficial one. You must have deep knowledge and you must explore your potentiality. Next important thing is we don't want to see any failures and defaulters. Failures and defaulters, they will miss their extracurricular as well as co-curricular activities. And if you come here without completing your work, then you have to stay in after school classes. Remember, you must follow the home routine. We have already provided you when to get up and when to enjoy as well as when to go to your bed. So please follow it strictly. No more days are left for your second term examination. And we don't want to see any failures. Mark sheet must not contain fail and NG. Accordingly, you have to practice and be laborious and more sincere towards it. Attention! Cover up. Hands side, hands up, clap. Inside, hands down. Studies. So I would like to request the house teachers to check the smartest students. If they are up to date, please send them to their class. Rest will stay in the line.